son. Who's that?
Saint Michael.
Who is it?
Saint Michael.
And what did he do?
He cast Satan out of paradise.
Goodbye.
On my challenge, we have met at this chosen ground
The earth turns,
to settle for who holds sway over the 5 points.
but we don't feel it move.
Us natives or the foreign hordes defiling it.
And one night you look up. One spark. And the sky's on fire.
Give me the strength for what I must do. To rest my father's ghost.
Who are you?
You're the priest's son, aren't you? His name's Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. I'm New York.
Everything you see belongs to me. The newsboys and quick thieves and blind tigers here in paradise. Everybody owes, everybody pays.
The appearance of the law must be upheld, especially while it's being broken.
Bill's taken quite a liking to you. If you're up to something, I don't want no part in it.
There's more of us coming off these ships every day. Yet all of us together, we ain't got a gang. We got an army.
You tell me you're a native. Do you want to know what a native is? A native is a man who's willing to give his life for his country.
Challenge.
Challenge accepted. I took the father. Now I'll take the son. I'm gonna paint Paradise Square with his blood. Always hire one half of the poor and kill the other half. Bricks, bats, axes, knives, pistols.
Oh, pistols.
Good boy.
Your father tried to carve out a corner in this country for his tribe. That war is 1,000 years old and more. We never expected it to follow us here. This'll all be finished tomorrow.
No, it won't.
On your order, Val.
The earth turns, but we don't feel it move. And one night you look up. One spark. And the sky's on fire.
You know how I stayed alive this long? All these years. Fear.